Good morning, one and all. Myself Nitin Kharche. Today we are covering the topic of engineering mechanics, equilibrium and equilibrium conditions. Equilibrium means what? Number of forces acting on the body are balanced, then it is called as equilibrium conditions. So equilibrium will apply to forces and the body as well. The equilibrium of forces are means all the forces are acting on the body are balanced, then the forces are called as equilibrium. Equilibrium condition means nothing but a resultant of all the forces is zero. Resultant of the forces are zero. And what is meant by equilibrium of the body? Body having zero effect under the action of applied forces, then the body is in equilibrium and the applied forces are also in equilibrium. Now see, in first diagram, one block is rest on the surface, 10 Newton force is applied on the x direction. So it means that 10 Newton force is pushed this block towards the forward direction in x forward direction. So it means what? The motion, it will be in motion. This block is in motion along a positive x-axis. In motion in positive x-axis means this body is in non-equilibrium position. It means this body is in non-equilibrium position. Similarly, this force is not balanced by another force, so this force is also called as also is in non-equilibrium position. Then in second diagram, same block is placed on the surface, 10 Newton force is applied. But if we are adding this another opposite force of 10 kilonewton to here, then forward path x direction is positive, backward path x direction is this direction is negative on along x axis. So this 10 Newton and this 10 Newton block are this plus and minus get neutral, means it is this block is at rest condition. It means we can tell that this block is in equilibrium. Okay, so let's see what is meant by equilibrium conditions. See here, arbitrary shaped body is given. There are four different forces acting on body in different direction: F1, F2, F3 and F4. We can find out the resultant of this F1, F2, F3 and F4 forces, that is meant by R. Now what is meant by equilibrium condition? Equilibrium condition is nothing but the value of resultant is equal to 0, means it is called as stable conditions or equilibrium condition. And the possible values of resultants in equilibrium is R is equal to 0, or it may be R is not equal to 0. If this condition is there, R is equal to 0, then we said that the body is in equilibrium, or the forces acting on the body are balanced, then body is in equilibrium. But if value of R is not equal to 0, means it is the non-zero value, then we said that it is unstable, or you may say called as non-equilibrium condition. Equilibrium conditions. This body is in non-equilibrium if R is not equal to 0. But if R is equal to 0, then we said that the given body is in equilibrium. Now, if we go for the equilibrium conditions, so R, we are for finding the value of R, we need two components: summation of Fx is equal to 0 and summation of Fy is equal to 0. Means Fx means summation of all horizontal forces and Fy means summation of all vertical forces. If these two are 0, then the value of R is 0 and body is in equilibrium. So here we determine that the equilibrium conditions are summation of Fx is equal to 0 and summation of Fy is equal to 0. These are the basic equilibrium conditions of engineering mechanics. One in forward lectures or upcoming lectures, third equilibrium conditions will be there. The summation of moment at given point is equal to 0. These are the three equilibrium conditions in engineering mechanics, which is very useful for solving the numerical. Okay, so once again we are going to repeat. Equilibrium is applied for the two bodies as well as forces. If forces are balanced, then all forces are in equilibrium. if body is having zero effect of under the action of applied forces, then body is in equilibrium and the applied forces are also in equilibrium. With the help of example, I explain you the concept of equilibrium and equilibrium equations. Thank you.